In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update ChatGPT desktop app. Keeping your app current ensures you get the latest features, important security fixes, and smoother performance, so it's worth taking a minute to do it right. First, head to your desktop and click the Start icon to open your system's app launcher. From there, launch the ChatGPT desktop app. If it isn't immediately visible, just search for ChatGPT and select the application. Before you proceed, make sure you have a reliable internet connection because the app needs to contact the update server. A stable connection helps the process complete quickly and prevents partial downloads. With ChatGPT open, look to the bottom left corner of the window. Click your profile picture or the circle showing your initials. That opens your account menu and brings up the settings area, which is where update options live. This is a safe place to be. You won't change your conversations or content by opening settings. Inside the settings, locate the General section. This section includes basic preferences for the app, and it's also where you'll find the update controls. Take a quick glance so you recognize where things are, but keep your focus on the Updates area. Now click the option to Check for Updates. The app will compare your current version with the latest release available. If an update is found, you'll see a prompt to download and install it. Let the process run without closing the app. Depending on your connection speed and the size of the update, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. It's normal to see a short progress indicator or spinner while the download completes. When the installation finishes, you may be prompted to relaunch ChatGPT. Go ahead and confirm. Your conversations and settings are preserved, so nothing gets deleted during this process. If the app reports that you're already up to date, you're all set and don't need to do anything else. If the check takes longer than expected, give it a moment and try again. Network hiccups or background security tools can slow the check, and a brief pause usually resolves it. Being signed in can also help the app verify update eligibility. And that's it. Click the Start icon, open ChatGPT, use the Profile button at the bottom left to get into Settings, look under General, and run Check for Updates. Repeat this periodically so you always have the latest improvements and features ready to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy the updated ChatGPT experience.